Laws concerning the purchase of alien condominium in Thailand. If you are a foreigner but are interested in investing in a condominium in Thailand, you should pay attention to the laws regarding condominium ownership in Thailand for foreigners first. Thailand provides opportunities for foreigners and foreign juristic persons. Have the right to own a condominium and have a duty to comply with the laws of Thailand, namely the Condominium Act BE 2522, 1979. Here's how. 1. Definition of key meanings under Thailand's condominium law. Section 4 in this act. Condominium building means a building in which a person can separate ownership into parts, each consisting of private ownership and joint ownership of common property. Personal property means a condominium unit and includes buildings or land provided for each unit owner. Condominium means a separate part of a condominium that is a separate part of individual ownership. Common property means a part of a condominium that is not a condominium. Land on which the condominium is located, and land or other property intended for joint use or benefit for co-owners. Condominium title letter means a certificate of ownership of personal property and joint ownership of common property. Co-owner means the owner of a unit in each condominium. Condominium juristic person means a juristic person registered under this act. Bylaws means the articles of association of the condominium juristic person. General meeting means a general conference or an extraordinary general meeting of co-owners, as the case may be. Board means the condominium juristic person committee. Director means a director of a condominium juristic person. Manager means the manager of a condominium juristic person. 2. Aliens and alien juristic persons may own condominium units. Article 19. Aliens and juristic persons deemed by law to be aliens may hold ownership of condominium units. If it is a foreigner and a juristic person. 1. An alien who is permitted to reside in the kingdom in accordance with immigration laws. 2. Foreigners who are allowed to enter the kingdom in accordance with the law on investment promotion. 3. A juristic person as defined in Article 97 and Article 98 of the Land Code registered as a juristic person under Thai law. 4. A juristic person who is a foreigner pursuant to the notification of the Revolutionary Council No. 281 dated November 24, 1972, and has received an investment promotion certificate in accordance with the investment promotion law. 5. An alien or juristic person deemed by law to be an alien who brings foreign currency into the kingdom or withdraws money from a Thai baht account of a person who is resident outside the country or withdraws money from a foreign currency deposit account. 3. Registration of rights and jurisprudence relating to condominiums to aliens or alien juristic persons. Section 19. Commodore, when the competent authority receives the documents and evidence under Section 19 bis and verifies that it is a valid document and evidence under Section 19 tri and the ratio of ownership in the condominium of an alien or juristic person under Section 19 both the person who already holds the title and the person applying for the transfer does not exceed the rate specified in Section 19 bis, the competent authority shall proceed to register the rights and jurisprudence relating to the condominium unit under Section 4 to the alien or juristic person who is applying for such transfer. 4. Notification to the Director General of the Land Department of the revocation of alien stay in the kingdom. Section 19F. When the competent authority makes an order revoking the alien's residence permit in the kingdom, or when the facts appear to the competent authority that the alien's residence certificate is invalid for the alien specified in Section 19(1), or when the competent authority makes an order deporting an alien as specified in Section 19(1), 2, or 5, out of the kingdom, or an order revoking the alien's permission as specified in Section 19(2), to stay in the kingdom, or an order revoking the investment promotion certificate for a juristic person as specified in Section 19(4), as the case may be, the aforementioned officer shall notify the Director General of the Land Department within 60 days from the date of the order or the date of knowledge of such fact. 5. Transfer of ownership of a condominium unit to an alien or alien juristic person. Section 19. Try the transfer of ownership of a condominium unit to an alien or juristic person as specified in Section 19. The applicant for the transfer of ownership of the condominium unit shall notify the list of aliens or juristic persons as specified in Section 19 together with the ratio of the area of the condominium unit already held by such alien or juristic person to the competent authority, and the alien or juristic person who applies for the transfer of ownership of the condominium unit shall also provide the following evidence to the competent authority. 1. For aliens as specified in Article 19, 1. Proof of being granted residency in the kingdom under immigration laws must be presented. 2. For foreigners as specified in Article 19, 2. Proof of being authorized to enter the kingdom under the investment promotion law is required. 3. For juristic persons as specified in Section 19, 3. Proof of registration as a juristic person under Thai law is required. 4. For juristic persons as specified in Section 19, 4. Proof of being an investment promotion certificate holder under the Investment Promotion Act is required. 5. For foreigners and juristic persons under Section 19, 5. Proof of importation of foreign currency into the kingdom or proof of withdrawal from a Thai baht account of a person resident outside the country or withdrawal from a foreign currency deposit account in an amount not less than the cost of the condominium unit to be purchased. 6. An alien or alien juristic person may own a condominium unit not exceeding the specified area rate. Article 19 bis. Each condominium building shall have alien or juristic person as specified in Section 19 holding ownership of the condominium unit, when combined shall not exceed the rate of 49% of the total area of the condominium unit in that condominium at the time of application for registration of the condominium under Section 19. 6. 7. Actions taken when a juristic person with Thai nationality changes to a foreign juristic person. Section 19ds. A juristic person who is a Thai national and already owns a condominium unit if the condition of that juristic person is subsequently changed to a juristic person which is considered by law to be an alien and not a juristic person as specified in Section 100. 19. The competent authority shall notify the competent authority in writing of the change of condition and the failure to continue ownership of the unit within a period of 60 days from the date of the change, and the entire freehold unit must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of the replacement. If the sale is not made within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. 8. Proceedings in the case of acquisition of ownership of a condominium unit while having Thai nationality if the person later loses his Thai citizenship. Section 19 NW. Who acquires ownership of a condominium unit while having Thai nationality? If the person later loses his Thai nationality because of renunciation of his Thai nationality, naturalization or withdrawal of Thai nationality according to the law on nationality and being a foreigner as specified in Section 19, if he wishes to continue owning the condominium unit, he must notify the competent authority in writing of the loss of Thai nationality. Evidence of being an alien as specified in Section 19 must be brought to the competent authority within 180 days from the date of loss of Thai citizenship. However, if the ownership of the alien's condominium exceeds the rate under Section 19 bis, the unit exceeding the specified rate must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of loss of Thai citizenship. If the sale is not made within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. If the alien under paragraph 1 does not wish to have ownership of the next condominium unit, the competent authority must notify the competent authority in writing of the loss of Thai nationality within a period of 60 days from the date of loss of Thai nationality, and all freehold units must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of loss of Thai nationality. If it is not sold within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. 9. Alien or alien juristic person. The unit must be disposed of where required by law. Section 19 Benj an alien or entity, as defined in Section 19, shall dispose of the unit in the following cases. 1. When an alien or a legal entity as specified in Section 19 acquires a condominium unit by inheritance as the rightful heir or testator or, as the case may be, together with a condominium unit already owned by an alien or legal entity as specified in Section 19, in excess of the rate prescribed under Section 19 bis. 2. When an alien as specified in Article 19, 1, has his or her residence permit revoked or the alien's residence certificate becomes invalid. 3. When an alien as specified in Article 19, 1, 2, and 5, is ordered to be deported outside the kingdom and has not been granted a waiver or has been sent to practice at any place in lieu of deportation. 4. When an alien as specified in Article 19, 2, is not authorized by the Board of Investment to stay in the kingdom. 5. When a juristic person as specified in Section 19, 4, is revoked of an investment promotion certificate. An alien or juristic person whose unit is to be disposed of pursuant to Paragraph 1. Notification must be given in writing to the competent authority within a period of 60 days from the date of the cause of disposition under Paragraph 1. In case 1, only units exceeding the specified rate shall be sold, and in cases 2, 3, 4, and 5, all freehold units shall be disposed of. The sale of a condominium unit pursuant to Paragraph 3 shall be made within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of acquisition of the ownership of the unit or the date on which the residence permit in the kingdom is revoked, or the date of deportation or the date on which the permission to stay in the kingdom is revoked by the Board of Investment or the date on which the promotion certificate is revoked, as the case may be. If the unit is not disposed of within the said deadline, the Director General of the Land Department shall have the power to dispose of such unit, and the provisions relating to the compulsory disposal of land under Chapter 3 of the Land Code and the ministerial regulations issued under the said provisions shall apply mutatis mutandis to the disposal of such units. 10. Alien or alien juristic person acquire the unit by inheritance as the rightful heir. Section 19 sat an alien or juristic person deemed by law to be an alien other than as specified in Section 19 acquires a condominium unit by inheritance as the rightful heir or testator or otherwise, as the case may be, shall notify the competent authority in writing within a period of 60 days from the date of acquisition of ownership of the condominium unit, and the unit must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of acquisition of ownership of the unit. If it is not sold within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. 11. Notification in writing to the competent authority of the loss of Thai citizenship and the inability to continue ownership of the condominium unit. Article 19 Atha whoever acquires ownership of a condominium unit while having Thai nationality if he subsequently loses his Thai nationality by renunciation of Thai nationality, naturalization or withdrawal of Thai nationality under the nationality law and not being a foreigner as specified in Section 19 shall notify the competent authority in writing of the loss of Thai nationality and the inability to continue ownership of the condominium unit within a period of 60 days from the date of loss of Thai nationality. All freehold units must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of loss of Thai citizenship. If the sale is not made within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. 12. Proceedings in the case of a juristic person with Thai nationality later converted to a foreign juristic person. Section 19 eguts a juristic person who is a Thai national and already owns a condominium unit if the condition of that juristic person is subsequently changed to a juristic person who is legally considered an alien and may hold ownership of the condominium unit because it is a juristic person as specified in Section 19. The competent authority shall notify the competent authority in writing of the change of condition and shall bring evidence that it is a juristic person as specified in Section 19 to the competent authority within 180 days from the date of conversion. If it is not sold within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. If the juristic person under Paragraph 1 does not wish to have ownership of the next condominium unit, the competent authority shall notify the competent authority in writing of the replacement within a period of 60 days from the date of the change, and all freehold units must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of the replacement. If the sale is not made within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. 13. Alien or alien entity. A specific portion of their land must be disposed of. In case of registration of dissolution of condominium. Section 55 requires the competent authority to send a cancelled letter of ownership of a condominium unit kept at the office of the competent authority. A copy of the application for registration of the dissolution of the condominium shall be sent to the local land officer to be registered in the table of contents for registration of the original title deed, showing the name of the co-owner named in the application for registration of the dissolution of the condominium as the total freehold holder according to the ratio that each co-owner holds in the common property, along with the list of other obligations that appear in the letter of ownership of the unit. When the land officer has registered the title deed under Paragraph 1, the land shall cease to be under the force of this Act, and the land officer shall return the title deed to the owner. An alien or juristic person as specified in Section 19 who is named as the title holder of the title deed in consequence of the registration of the dissolution of the condominium under Paragraph 1. Only its portion of the land must be disposed of within a period not exceeding 1 year from the date of registration of the dissolution of the condominium. If it is not sold within the said deadline, the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis. 14. Alien or alien jurisprudence. Whoever fails to notify the competent authority in accordance with the law is guilty of an offense and punishment. Article 66. Any alien or juristic person deemed by law to be an alien fails to notify the competent authority of the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 2, Section 19, SATA, Section 19. Under Section 19 NAVA, Section 19 TOS, and Section 19 EGATOS, within the specified time, he shall be punished with a fine not exceeding 10,000 baht and a fine not exceeding 500 baht per day for all time during the violation period. 15. Any person who holds ownership of a condominium unit as a representative owner of an alien or alien entity is guilty of an offense and punishment. Article 67. Any person holding ownership of a condominium unit as a representative owner of an alien or a juristic person who is legally considered an alien, whether or not such alien or juristic person has the right to own a condominium unit under this Act, he shall be punished with imprisonment for not more than 2 years or a fine not exceeding 20,000 baht, or both, and the provisions of Section 19, Paragraph 4 shall apply mutatis mutandis.